Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Ben Mono. My name is Ben, and today ang i-review natin ay ang Megazord ng Power Rangers. So, itong set na to ay hindi ko alam kung anong taon, pero napakatagal na. Ito ay laruan ko nung bata ako at ngayon, nahanap ko siya after decades, no? And I'm excited na mabuo ito. It's not perfect because it's dirty. And, it was dirty, now it's clean. Tapos kulang-kulang siya ng mga parts, pati stickers. Pero maganda pa rin siya, para sa akin at least. At gusto ko kayo isama sa aking journey na ito. Review na. Let's review this. Okay, let's do it one by one, isa-isa. So, let's start with itong blue na to. Itong blue na ito ay ang Triceratops. So, kung papansin nyo, kulang-kulang siya ng horn. Dahil na nga sa katagalan niya, dapat may horn siya dyan. Tapos meron siyang blasters sa tail, which fold out like this. Fold in like this. Becomes one of the legs. I'm not entirely sure kung yung kanan siya o kaliwa. So, ayan. Yung susunod naman ay yung sa Yellow Ranger, ang Saber-Tooth Tiger. Yes. Yung Saber-Tooth Tiger, ang feature nito bali ay meron siyang horns na ganyan. And you can fold it. I'm not really a pro, so I don't know if this should be sticking out like that or inside. So yeah, para sa akin ito yung pinaka maganda next to the Triceratops, next to the what's this, Tyrannosaurus Rex, kasi para talaga siyang marami siyang points for articulation, no? So ayan, pag pinold natin siya ng ganito, first the head and then the legs, then you fold the rear legs inside and then the tail in front, comes one of the legs as well. So now we have two, diba? There you go. Moving on would be yung sa Pink Ranger. Kung makikita nyo, kulang na ng sticker. Ito yung Pterodactyl. Meron din siya dapat na wings, pero wala ng wings. Ayun, napakasimple lang. Tinutupi lang yung ulo paloob. Tapos yan na siya. Alright, so we have three. Now we have the Black Ranger Zord, which is the Mastodon. Wala siyang ulo kasi nawala na rin. Pero magagamit pa natin siya. Yun nga lang, hindi na maganda kasi wala ng ulo. Dapat yun yung parang pinaka-shield niya, if I'm not mistaken. So this is it. Ito yung magiging arms. And of course, last but not least would be the bida. Ang tawag dito. Tyrannosaurus Rex for the Red Ranger. So, ito naman, nakulang na yung tail. Tapos, I believe may mga stickers din dapat dito. Siguro hindi ko nalagay nung bata ako. So, ito ang pinakamaraming points for articulation. So, meron siyang arms, meron siyang legs na nagsistretch ng ganyan. Pati yung tail mismo, dalawang parts, kaso lang kulang na nga. Tapos, syempre, meron siyang ulo. Yung others kasi, tig-isa, tigdadalawa, konti lang yung mga moving items niya. Pero ito yung una sa lahat, siya yung pinakamalaki. Pangalawa, siya yung pinakabida. So, ayan. Siya yung centerpiece ng Megazord. So, buuin na natin. Let's start. Since ito yung pinakagitna, tutupin natin yung legs niya. Like that. Very simple lang. Tapos, isasaksak mo na yung legs, which are the Blue Rangers and the Yellow Ranger swords. Just like that. Very easy. And then, yung Mastodon, you just open it up like that. And then, yung paa, iikot mo lang. Let's see if there you go. Pati sa kabila. Tapos yan na siya. Alright. Sasaksak natin siya ngayon sa likod. Like so. Then you plug it in like that. It'll click. And that's how you know it's properly set. Ito namang tail. Saksak mo lang ng ganun. Buksan mo to ng ganyan. nakakatawa kasi dati, I remember, no? Yung ito, hindi ko ma-figure out bakit ganyan lang siya. So, yung ulo, ganyan. Hindi ko alam. Siguro isang buong araw ko finigure out ng bata ko, bakit ganito? Anong gagawin ko ito? Paano ito magiging yung ulo nung Megazord? Kasi hindi to tama, di ba? So, it turns out, it took me an entire day to figure it out. Binubuksan pala to. Remember that very distinctly, no? Tapos, sasaksak mo lang sa loob. Sara, papasok na yung Pink Ranger. Tapos, you just pop out the horns like that. And now you have the Megazord. Yes, so it's been with me for, like I said, decades. It's still very beautiful to me. It's not perfect dahil nga marami ng gas-gas, missing stickers. But just playing with it, no? It's just ang sarap ng pakiramdam, para kang naging bata ulit. I'm sure everyone feels that way as well when they play with their own toys. Very simple, but for the time, napaka-advanced na nito. Yan lang naman yung gumagalaw, hindi naman siya nakaka-bend, hindi naman siya, ganyan lang, pero hindi naman gumagalaw yung legs. May mga bagong version na lumabas nito these past years. Iba-ibang size siya. I don't believe pwede mo i-connect dito sa mga luma. Pero syempre, yung original para sa akin very nice and meaningful dahil lang ito yung mismong akin. Marami ring ganda yung mga bagong version in their own way. Pati yung pinaka-recent, I think it's called the Reignite or Reignition versions na you have to buy per piece. So, bibili mo muna ng yellow, blue, black, pink, and red. Tsaka mo lang i-combine. Tapos meron yung nabibili, isang buong set na hindi mo naman pwedeng tanggal-tanggalin. Personally, where's the fun in that? Siyempre, you want to be able to take it off and take it back in, put it back in. But yeah, this is my Megazord. I hope you enjoy the experience with me. If you have any stories about your old toys, just like the Megazord, please feel free to tell me about it or tell everyone in the comments. And if you want me to feature some other toys, just let me know. If I have them, I will feature them. If not, I don't know, maybe you could send them my way, or maybe I can get sponsored one day. And yeah, that's essentially it. The Megazord, just check it out. I'll give you a few more angles so you can see it properly. Yeah, there you go. Power Rangers Megazord. Boom. Oh yeah.